Guten Abend, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Toby Tweaks. Today's topic: the ADT 5mt-C large format mixing desk. Having rebuilt this over the last 6 months, I was looking forward to this day presenting you this console in a proper sound demo episode long time ago. You can find videos about me restoring this console here on my channel. Now, I asked myself, was it worth all the time and effort to restore this? And is it true what they say, that it is basically just like an SSL but made in Germany? Or will the way this sounds make me question all my life choices from the last 6 months? Let's see what we can do with this. Now first, let me give you a quick overview of the desk. This is a 36 channel frame with 35 channels fitted. From the left to right, we have 4 stereo channels with surround capabilities, 20 inline E channels with all the basic EQ sense and filter, as well as the preamp section, but this one has a small fader, and you can see here the record path, so full inline capability. Right next to the center section, we have 4 premium dynamic channels that come with a compressor, as well as an extended EQ with 3 opposed to 2 parametric bands. And then also the small fader, but this time as an automatable proper fader, not like the knob on the E channels. And then lastly, we have 7 SPL channels that do not have any inline functionality, but they come with a very nice handy little gate. In the center section, we have 5 stereo returns, and you can see the master channel is different from the other channels. It was upgraded. That is why you have an automatable fader here for the return and more EQ bands. Speaking of the master channel, here it comes with a compressor, which is very nice and will be presented later, as well as an stereo widening section. Here you have the Q returns, and then the master out as well as the master Q are transformer balanced on the output. So with the master fader, you can drive this very nicely. Lastly, we have all the functionality you would want in a large format desk. A monitoring section, an oscillator, which comes very handy when checking things, a talkback with a microphone, a listen input, the aux masters, and then 2 matrix outputs where you can assign multiple sources to it. Alright, so that is for an overview. As you can see, I have an automation with it as well, making all my faders recallable. But let's not make this a product video and run a few tracks through it.
Auch wenn ich weiß, auch du musst bald gehen, ist es immer noch ganz schön, obwohl ich weiß, auch du wirst gehen, es ist okay. Wir fliegen durch Raum und Zeit,
So what do you think? Is this still valuable for making music in 2023, or should it better be used, as people tend to use consoles nowadays, just as a place to put your laptop? So oder so, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what project I should maybe tackle next. If you liked the last couple minutes with me, feel free to give me that all buttons in, and like and subscribe. Until next time, have a good one.